Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy, dairy-free, vegan hot chocolate recipe to warm you up from the winter cold. This creamy hot chocolate does not contain milk or refined sugar. Plus it's super easy to make, especially for PG students, busy working women and bachelors. I created this vegan hot chocolate recipe for my daughter since she's living in a hostel and wanted a quick, easy, and dairy free hot chocolate. And I thought, why not share it with you guys also so that you can also enjoy it as much as my daughter did. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a cup, I'm adding in natural almond milk. Add in 2 tablespoons coconut sugar or as needed. Now instead of coconut sugar, you can also use organic jaggery powder. Add in 1 tablespoon cocoa powder or you can use raw cacao powder. Give this a mix and then add in 150 ml water little by little and mix well. Pour this into a saucepan and switch on the flame. And on medium flame, heat the hot chocolate, stirring well. Once it starts to boil, turn off the flame and pour it into a steel mug. And then pour it back into the saucepan. Repeat this a couple of times. This helps the hot chocolate to mix well and also help the hot chocolate to be creamy and frothy. Pour into a serving cup and you can see how creamy and thick the hot chocolate is. Now for some added flavor, sprinkle in a fat pinch of cinnamon powder and a fat pinch of cocoa powder and serve it immediately. See how thick and creamy this dairy-free, healthy hot chocolate is? The buying links of the ingredients I'm using in this recipe will be updated in the description box below. So guys, do try this quick and easy vegan hot chocolate and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.